Good morning or good afternoon, y'all. I'm getting ready to head to Bath and Body Works. If y'all don't know, they're doing a $13.50 sale on the candles. Plus, when you buy $50 worth of stuff, you get a free 3-wick candle. But it's a decent deal, especially if you don't have any coupons. Then this sale is pretty good. As you do know, when you use a 20% coupon on a sale like this, you get the candles for around $10.80, somewhere around up in there. So that's the reason why I feel like this is a pretty decent sale. I did place an order. I'm in Sam's fuel line, but I did place an order, and I got 5 candles. I got some online exclusive candles. So y'all know it's gonna take about a week or so for that to come. I'm getting ready to head to the store because, y'all, once again, I played myself, but I didn't play myself as bad because I decided to use the Rainforest Gardenia wallflower, and when I tell you, I absolutely love that scent. Over the summer, I did buy the candle, and I wasn't really feeling the candle all that much, but I think they had those wallflowers on sale. I think I got those for like 75%. I think, I'm not for sure, but I used one and I absolutely love it. I decided to take it out of the place that I had it at, and I'm just gonna put it in my oil burner so I could use it more. So yeah, I'm gonna head over here to Bath and Body Works and grab the white gardenia candle since they're doing it for $13.50. So let's head on over here because I gotta pull up because it's my turn. Also, if you get gas at Sam's, use the scan and go. It's way faster. I'm just saying, it's way faster. I don't get why people are still putting 2 cards in the machine when you can use scan and go. Scan and go is so much faster. So let me get this gas, then head on over here to Bath and Body Works so I could grab my candle. Plus I got some other places that I need to go. So yeah, let's go, y'all. Okay, y'all, I made it to the mall. Great, I'm running here real quick and it's packed. Oh my goodness. I tried to do something different today, y'all. I was gonna park on the lower level, but it's so packed, ain't no parking. So I'm like, why keep driving around when I could just park where I normally park with no issues? So I'm gonna go in here and grab this candle real quick and head over to Champs and grab something out of Champs real quick, and I probably will show y'all all that when I get in here. So let's go. Okay, y'all, I did not walk the store. I just grabbed my candle and I was back out the door. So I asked the young lady, this lady is so friendly. Every time I come in here, she always have a big smile on her face. Very, very helpful. So I just asked her where the candle was and I grabbed it and I left back out because, like I said, this is in the middle of the day. The store was a little crowded. The mall was super packed. So I really wanted to get in and get out. I just really don't like a whole lot of people and a lot of crowd. I really don't. So I got my candle and I was out the door. Okay, y'all, I got my bag. Only got 2 things. So now I'm gonna go down here to Champs and grab these shoes real quick. I probably should go into Lululemon. Don't want to go to Lululemon. No, first I'm gonna go to Nordstrom because the shoes that I want, I would rather buy from Nordstrom versus Champs, just because. So let's see, but first let's go to Finish Line. Let me go to Finish Line real quick, y'all. Oh my God. Sucks.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly. If I order,
Excuse me.
Are you finding everything all right?
I mean, I just walked through the door. I don't know yet.
All right, you let me know.
Thank you. What about that nano bag? Where will I find that? Oh, y'all don't have any.
Any what?
The nano or whatever it's called, the little small key thing.
This one.
Do you have it in black?
I don't.
Oh, bummer. It's the only color? That sucks.
They're sold out. They go quick.
I don't want that color. Is that it?
Yes.
What about the everywhere bags?
Sold out.
Oh, damn. All sizes?
Yep. In store, yeah.
Okay, yeah. It's too much. It's too much. This store is super little and it's super duper packed. So I'm gonna come back in the morning. It's just too packed for me. So I'm just gonna head over here to Nordstrom and see what I can find over here at Nordstrom because I am looking for those Uggs. Hopefully I can find them over here instead of going to Champs to get it because like I said, I really don't want to buy them from Champs. I really want to buy from Nordstrom because I love their return policy. And if anything happens to my shoes, I can return them. So that's the reason why I want to get it from Nordstrom. But we should see, because when I looked online, Nordstrom was completely sold out. The only ones they had was like that dark chocolate brown color, and I didn't want that. I want the caramel color ones. But we're gonna see. I gotta go downstairs. I mean, I could go through the store, but I'm gonna go down and then come back up. Because I think, oh no, Champs is on this level. So we shall see. Let's see. I just got those. Love those. But that's not what I'm looking for. Oh, I'm looking for these right here. Right here. Fudge.
So this is still somewhat kind of a warm brown, but something like this, you know, looks cute with that, and you can wear those with anything too, you know, any kind of jeans or something.
Shoes.
Just to me, kind of more of a saddle. It's not as rust as some of these others.
Either black.
It's not as clunky.
Bummer.
Martin, or I think in the Mark Fisher one is real brown, big, you know. Brown.
They don't have the color I'm looking for. At least I don't see them anywhere. But I want the caramel color ones. And it looks like they might be sold out. Bummer. So, looks like I'm gonna have to go to Champs and get them, which I really, really don't want to. Perkins-Store. Let me go look at the clearance. You never know. They might have something over here in clearance. Let's see, tons of Crocs. I like Crocs, but I just don't like to wear them out. I don't know why, it's just me. Let's see, what's on the clearance rack? Nothing. Nada. Summer shoes, and I don't wear sandals. Bummer. Look like I'll be on my way. Do y'all have the ultra low Uggs in that caramel color?
Let me look with size.
7?
I doubt it, but let me check.
Okay, thank you.
Very popular.
That's not what I'm looking for, y'all. So it's a pass for me. I'm actually looking for the Trappy candles, but I don't see them in this store. I should have went to Home Goods. Should have went to Home Goods. Fudge. Okay, my camera almost dead. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm out of TJ Maxx. They didn't have what I was looking for, so it is what it is. But like I said, I got my bag. My camera went dead. I don't know if I showed y'all this or not, but I did get the white gardenia candle. Might be best if I hold it back. And this is with their core collection. Like I said, I had smelled that rainforest gardenia, and it most definitely smelled totally different. This is more floral, and the other one is more like fresh. But the other one is so good. But since I don't have Bath & Body Works white gardenia, I decided to just go ahead and grab it. The scent notes in white gardenia is a classic gardenia, pink greenery, sweet apple, and tuberose. So I got this one, and this most definitely is very floral. But it's nice, but the other one smells most definitely different. So I grabbed that. Free with rewards, I decided to grab another lavender vanilla because I absolutely love this scent. I do have some of the candles, but I don't think I have many single wicks. Sorry about the air, but it is hot in this car. So I did grab these 2 items from Bath & Body Works. I only paid like $14 for 2 items. And then the next thing I went, y'all know I went to Champs. Decided to go to Champs because Nordstrom did not have the shoes that I was looking for, which is the Uggs. I got a size 7 in the Ugg Ultra Mini, which is that. Love these. I love just about all Uggs, but this shoe is most definitely trending for the fall. So if you could get your hands on these Ultra Minis, you better grab them. So I did grab these in a size 7. Yes, from Champs. And I didn't even look at the other one. And I think I'm gonna get them in the other colors as well. Nordstrom did have them in black, and I think they had the chocolate color, and then they had this pink color. So yeah, I might just go ahead and grab that pink one as well and just get it shipped to the house. So yeah, so that's all the shopping I did today. Leave in the comments, let me know, did you get anything from the Bath & Body Works sale? Let me know, do you have some of these Ultra Mini Uggs? Leave that in the bottom. So yeah, that's all I got. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, hit the notification bell, follow me, or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. Again, follow me on all of my social media platforms. And then you know what, I see y'all. Back it up. I want to give a big old shout out for all of my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always watching all of my videos. I truly do appreciate it. Thank you. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.